Thank you all for taking the time to sit in on this session. First, it's a real privilege to be invited out here, so thank you very much for having us. I'm with Pidgin, and first question y'all will have is, what in the name of the Lord is a pigeon? There are plenty in Central Park. That's not the kind I'm here to talk to you about. The kind I'm here to talk to you about today is Pidgin, our faster, instant, real-time payments platform that we've built. And Pidgin is named after a pidgin language. We try to be cute with the branding, the bird, et cetera, et cetera. But like a pidgin language, the indigenous people of a place that has merchants coming to it often have difficulty communicating with the merchants, have need to trade with the people that are coming to sell them goods. So what happens is the natives, the merchants, they form a language called a pidgin, something they can use to transact, something they can use to broker a transaction, broker a deal, and that's what we intend to do with faster payments. We want to settle the transaction between the financial institution, their account holder, the core processing system, as well as with our API layer, the ability to have any front end plug into our platform, what is our payments engine, what we call our most feasible routing engine that allows payments to flow through to allow for settlement. So as we come to the modern age of payments, we're starting to see the advent of new payment systems, such as the clearinghouse's real-time payments. I met Peter Davey earlier today. He's representing the clearinghouse, as well as the Federal Reserve's FedNow platform, which is another real-time instant payments platform that is coming to the forefront of discussion. So the problem for financial institutions starts to become, how do we cater all of these solutions to our account holders? Do our account holders even want these solutions? And the short answer is yes, account holders want these solutions, solutions like earned wage access, and the ability to pay loans. Last second, you have your car on a tow truck about to be towed, and you're able to show not yet another promise to pay, but a proof of payment is able to be displayed through a platform like the Pidgin platform to enable financial inclusion use cases among use cases that enhance your liquidity as a financial institution and enhance your ability to draw deposits into your financial institution for future use cases. So what I've done, what I've pulled up is our API simulator. Our API simulator shows you what it looks like to run a transaction across the Pidgin platform. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to simulate pushing an API transaction. And we route transactions based on 5 key criteria. First, I'm keying in the account number. That helps us know what networks the financial institution is subscribed to. Then first, the routing number. That helps us dictate what financial institution we're sending the payment to. Then account number, so we know where in that financial institution that payment is going. Then as a follow-up to that, of course, the amount, because we need to know how much we're sending. Then let's assume that I'm cashing out after a shift working at Uber. I've made about $120 this shift, and I'm going to be cashing out here after I'm done speaking. So when I hit my simulator button, I'm able to run through our complex rules engine, and I'm able to confirm within a few seconds that this institution is on the clearinghouse's real-time payments network, that this is the best way to send the payments based on the way this institution has configured their rules, as well as understanding that there are operational complexities as a financial institution that you have to account for. So let's take a quick dive through this. If I'm looking at, as an example, my amount, maybe the network allows for $500,000, which the clearinghouse's real-time payments does allow for transactions up to $500,000. But let's say my risk appetite as a financial institution only wants me to send up to $25,000 across the real-time payments network. I can configure my rule set to route this payment over real-time payments network because it falls in that range. Taking a step back from that, then the second question is what day of the week it is. I may, on Saturday and Sunday, opt not to allow an ACH batch to just sit there Saturday and Sunday. So Monday to Friday, I may consider ACH as an option, but I certainly will not on Saturday and Sunday. But since I'm sending the payment on Monday, that's day 2 of the week, it then knows to go to rule set number 3, which for me is what time of day is it? Have I missed my same-day ACH cutoff window? If I missed my same-day ACH cutoff window, which I have at 12:01, then the discussion becomes, all right, we have to send this payment over the clearinghouse's real-time payments rails, or we have to send this payment over the Federal Reserve's FedNow as that becomes available. So then does the financial institution I'm sending this payment to, are they on the real-time payments network? And checking this routing number, this is the routing number for Jackson Area Federal Credit Union based out of Mississippi, who is live today, able to receive payments on the clearinghouse's real-time payments networks through Pidgin. And you can see the breakdown of what that looks like here. Our engine has rules that can be configured on a per financial institution level, on a per account holder level, with the ability to have geolocation metadata associated with every transaction stored in our archive. And today, I'm only showing you a small sliver of what the Pidgin platform is capable of, because as I approach about 53 seconds left, last thing I want to do is be gonged off the stage. The last thing I really want to show you here today is how easy it is to configure all of these payment channels. You have the ability to, on a per rule set basis, actually drag and drop what payment channels you want to make available. You have the ability to drag and drop the configurability around providing those real-time payment services. Now, it looks like my pigeons turned into the kind that you see at Central Park, but that, in a nutshell, is what we do at Pidgin. And this is our platform that we are able to cater to financial institutions, their account holders, with any front end you have in mind, and to store all of the metadata with that transaction. That's what we do here at Pidgin. Thank you all very much for your time, your kind attention. We really appreciate it.